Split stitch is very useful for outlines or decoration and can also be used to create a base for satin stitch. Bring the needle up and make a stitch. Then bring the needle back up in the middle of that stitch to start the next one. Continue in the same way along the design. Split stitch is also easy to work as a back stitch. Make your first back stitch and then bring the needle up about half a stitch length along the design. Take the needle down halfway through the first stitch to create a split back stitch. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more tutorials, you can check out my stitch library here. Bye for now.